Every Wednesday, I take out the trash. I have to fold cardboard boxes, put them in nice stacks in the backyard. It's a lot of cardboard that we accumulate over the week. The hard part is people only pick up cardboard every 2 weeks. So it's my goal to keep a nice stack in an orderly fashion, or else the cardboard boxes will just pile up and it'll be difficult to find a way to walk through it. So even if the garbage people aren't picking up cardboard the next day, I still make it a habit to fold boxes every week, or else the boxes would accumulate. Yeah, that was a bigger box there. Chore had her Legos in that box. That was a heavier cardboard box. It was more sturdy than the Amazon boxes. The Amazon boxes they serve one purpose only, and that is to just get to the destination safely and soundly. Nothing more, nothing less. And what you get is a nice cardboard box that can collapse at just a feather touch, it seems. It's remarkable that it seems to make it to your place in one piece. They really have that down. And that's another big box there. So now I'm making the stack, trying to get the bigger boxes with the larger dimensions on the bottom of the stack, while putting the smaller boxes on top, just like a pyramid. Oh, it looks like I forgot one box there. So I'm doing the tiny cardboard pieces. Those are the most annoying ones because the wind can blow them around. Alright, now I'm chopping down some larger boxes. Notice I didn't cut it at the seams actually, I just cut it right down the middle. That's pretty useful at times, but it makes it a little bit less predictable as well. It becomes like a cascading game of fold them up, where you think you have the right size down, and then you look at the stack and you realize there are some bigger pieces, so you cut those down and you put them back in the stack, and now there are even other bigger pieces. I always got to have a break there. Yeah, it really makes the time go by well. See, I'm back at the Lego box again. I didn't cut it down small enough to the pieces that I needed earlier. The cardboard folding and cutting is kind of like trial and error. You just go at it the first try without knowing what's going to happen later, and eventually you succeed. Peace.